Hi everyone, welcome to the new math problem. We have x cube is equal to 8 raised to the power minus 1. We have to find the value of x. Let's start the solution of this question. We have equation x raised to the power 3 is equal to 8 raised to the power minus 1. We can write this equation as x cube is equal to 8 power minus 1 written as 1 over 8. As we know that 8 can be written as 2 cube. 2 into 2 4 and 4 into 2 is 8. So x cube is equal to 1 over 2 whole cube. Now we will subtract this whole term on both sides of the equation. We get x cube minus 1 over 2 cube is equal to 1 over 2 cube minus 1 over 2 cube. Just cancel with this. We get x cube minus 1 over 2 whole raised to the power 3 is equal to 0. What is this? A cube minus b cube. We know that a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b bracket a square plus ab plus b square. Here in our case a is equal to x and b is equal to 1 over 2. So we will write this whole equation in this form of formula. We have x minus 1 by 2 x square plus 1 by 2 times x plus 2 square is equal to 0, or it will be written as x minus 1 by 2 x square plus x by 2 plus 4 is equal to 0. So either this will be equal to 0 or this whole term will be equal to 0, that is x minus 1 by 2 equal to 0, or x square plus x by 2 plus 4 is equal to 0. First we will deal with that. X minus 1 by 2 equal to 0. We will add 1 by 2 on both sides. We got the first value of x, which is 1 by 2, which is a real value of x. Now we have x square plus x by 2 plus 4 equal to 0. This is quadratic equation. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. We will multiply by 2 on both sides of the equation. We get 2x square plus x plus 2 into 4 is 8 equal to 0. So by comparing we get a equals 2, b equals 1 and c equals 8. We will use the quadratic formula to find the value of x. We know that x equals minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 into a into c all over 2 into a. We know the values of a, b and c. We will put this value in the formula. We get minus 1 plus minus b square 1 square minus 4 into a is 2, c is 8 all over 2 into a is 2. X equals minus 1 plus minus 1 minus 4 to 8. This is 1 over 2 square. This is 1 over 4. Multiply 2 on both. We get, multiplying 4 on both, we get 4x square plus 2x plus 1 A is equal to 4, B is equal to 2, and C is equal to 1. So we have B is 2 square minus 4 into A is 4 and C is 1. 2 into square is 4. 4 minus 4, 4, 16. B is minus 2. A is 4, 8. So we have x equals minus 2 plus minus 12 over 8, or it can be written as minus 2 plus minus 2 times 3 minus 1 over 8, or x can be written as minus 2 plus minus 2 square root of 3 iota over 8 over 8. 2, 1, 2, 4, 1 and 4. So we have x equals minus 1 over 4 plus minus square root of 3 by 4 iota. So we have three values of x. One is 1 by 2, first value of x, then minus 1 by 4 plus square root of 3 iota by 4, and then minus 1 by 4 minus square root of 3 by 4 iota. These are the final value of x. And I hope you understand this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon so that you can get notification of my daily videos. Thank you.